Hello, everybody, and welcome to our first mukbang. It's a seafood boil with salad and steak, so you know it's like surf and turf, all that good stuff. Now, this is steak. This is expensive as shiitake mushrooms and creminis with onion that we put on top of the steak, like so. You know, just all like so. And like I said, this is the first one, so don't read us, please. don't even do that. It's the first. It will get better in time. Leave a little tiny in there. Y'all back. Now, this right here, let me bring it up closer, is the sauce. Yeah, that's my own special sauce. I'll probably put in the description how I made it. And this is the salad. Now you can't see everything, but this salad has these croutons, private selection. If you live where the Kroger or any Kroger store, they sell them. But I got them at Fred Meyer Kroger store. But the salad has those croutons, orange bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. It has jalapeno. It has radishes. And it also has broccoli pearls and celery. So yeah, it's that. And then of course, what is steak without A1? Like, let's just be real. So, you shake that up, right? Oh, I forgot the star. We outside, so yeah. Because our inside, we still got to get it together a little bit. And the table in there is full of, like, most of my junk. And, and our frog. So, got the A1 on dip. Oh, and this. Also from Kroger stores. Got it at Fred Meyer.
That sounds good.
That's what I put in that cauliflower slaw stuff I made.
What's it on tonight? I wasn't paying attention.
It's going on this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I ain't dressed it because I ain't want the croutons in the bowl to get soggy. So I gotta mix it up, y'all, because I ain't mixed it up. Oh, I forgot to mention, it's got onions in this salad too. Because to me, salad without onions is a complete shenanigan.
I'm just waiting for you to eat one of those jalapenos.
You want to? I de-seeded them though. Okay, y'all, this is...
It's not just the seeds. Okay, we're attracting mosquitoes now.
It'll be alright. No, I don't like bugs. And like I said, y'all don't read us. But our inside, we had to get it all the way together before we could do this inside. And so we thought it would be cute to be outside. So like I said, don't read me.
Plus, we're too hungry to finish that up tonight anyhow.
Yeah. We was gonna finish it, but ain't nobody got time for that. Alrighty. Let me dish you up some here. Oh, sorry, I think I got a little bit. Hey, like I said, yeah.
What are the leaves?
Celery. Yeah, I love celery. Like, over the years, I have really grown to love celery. Now, my sauce, y'all, I used paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, rosemary, oregano, dill, mustard, garlic, lots of it, onion, lots of them, fresh ginger, not grated, but with the, you know, the vegetable slicer, get those, yeah, that way. Bay leaves, Might have been black pepper. A little bit of crushed red. Might have been something more. Not sure. Done this before, but I haven't wrote it down. But I remember as I go along. That's what happens. So yeah. But yeah, and over here, if I didn't mention, we got shrimps, clams, and mussels. Okay. Yeah. Now let me taste this steak because I haven't had a steak in yeah. Excusamente. Oh, and the soda, we got that lemon lime Mountain Dew. One of the best things Mountain Dew could have ever done. I've never been a huge fan of Mountain Dew, but over the years I've grown to like it, and I really love the new stuff that they're coming out with. And Baja Blast is the best, but they didn't have that. It tends to be a fast seller since they actually sell in stores now.
It's like Sprite, but a little better, in my opinion.
What this?
The Mountain Dew.
Mm-hmm. Sprite used to be my favorite, but I don't like it anymore because Sprite is too sweet. You don't have to worry about being cute or smacking. I tell you, the people that watch these love it. So.
The steak is really good.
Thank you. I love radishes. All right, baby. I see that, but I see I left a little bit of that rib in there. Now this jalapeno, after I took all that rib out, I got all the seeds out. There's a little piece of that rib in there though. I know, and a jalapeno or any other pepper aside from a bell pepper. That's what holds the heat. Excuse me, Lord. Y'all, this so good. I dropped my whole body in there. Out of the two of us, I'm the greedy one, but this ain't gonna be gone by night. That ain't gonna happen. We're gonna be eating this for a couple of days.
I don't know. You've impressed me before.
Huh?
You've impressed me before with your ability to put food away.
Yeah. I can. Dip it up in that. I'm gonna call this sauce Fang-a Lik-N good. Must go. Must go. Up in there. That's good, y'all. That's so good, make you want to smack him off. Yo. Let me get a sip of this beverage. I'm looking for that house. He can get shot. So good. Get some more of this salad. These radishes are wonderful. They don't come from me because I'm having a hard time cutting my steak. It's just because they got that good layer of fat in the middle that I like. Oh my God. Steak is the bomb. Oh, this is bomb. Bomb diggity. No. Oh, one escaped. Only thing I forgot y'all was some parsley for this. And we ain't had none in the cabinet, so. Yum, yum. Dim sum. I still got a little colder, but excuse the pig, y'all, because the hog knows better. Got a lot of rosemary in this, y'all. So some of the seeds, some of the rosemary stems, you got to eliminate, but it's fresh rosemary, and it's good. So good. And it's so good, so good, so good. You might not like it, but it's so good, so good, so good. Stupid, because I all know better. He's just trying to get me. I would just pit. That's okay. I found his friend.
This one just fell out.
You want me dumb? Want me dumb? I'm on my move. So.
It's trying to escape.
Look out below.
Oops. He went swimming.
He took a dip in the pool. He took a dip in the pool. Now, have mercy. Y'all was hungry and full. I don't drag this on too long, but oh, shandalala. Yeah, Jesus, I'm full bite, but I'm gonna do this real quick. And one more of these, and I'm calling it quits. At this point, yeah, it's been real. Came through dripping. Hey, drip, drip. Oh,
Are you done for real?
almost. out of me. But yeah, I think we about to sign off this thing because at this point, eating anymore will be gluttonous. Yeah.
We passed that about 5 minutes ago.
Okay, eating anymore, this will be extreme gluttonous. And since we don't want to do that, we're gonna end on this note. I'm Mike, and
I'm Ryan.
deuces.